Just got home from work a little bit ago. Put the chickens out to free range. And here is something on my electric wire. Looks like some kind of hawk or something. Of course, I'm not going to be able to zoom in enough to see. Ouch. Ow, chicken. Don't peck me. I'm trying to use my binoculars to spot it. I think it's a kestrel. It's got face markings. But I don't know if that's the name for the bird I'm thinking of. And this is not easy to do, hold my phone up to a binoculars. Got marks on its face, kind of a beige yellow belly, and marks kind of like mascara running, give or take. Probably after my chickens, I think, or my quail. So this is my really old bird book. I've got a couple bird books, but this is my favorite because I'm not good at bird books, identifying birds. And this one's got really good pictures. So here's the kestrel. It does come in this region, but my eyes are bad from a distance. I don't know. I don't think it had that much color, so maybe it was a female. So you see the markings on the face. There's clearly some markings like that on the face. But the breast looked had a little color to it, and I can't see the back, so maybe it is. And then there's this falcon, not in this area, West Virginia. So I'm over in there, like that helped. That didn't help a bit. There's a prairie falcon with marks on its face, but not in this area. That's out west. So, I don't know. I think I just saw a kestrel. Didn't look that colorful. I'll have to go in and see if I can zoom in on the pictures. Of course, I didn't see its back. I only saw its face and belly. Yeah, so it's amazing. If you're a bird watcher and you want to see birds, get chickens, because apparently they like to come out here for chickens. So it had moved down. It had been on the line here, but it moved down when I came out with the book, when I came back outside. So I think it's gone now, or out of sight anyway. So there's my bird watching adventures today.